Hello and welcome back, everybody. We have another video for you on how to make money online. Today we're going to talk about how to create an affiliate marketing website for beginners. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned all the way till the end. Here we go. First, let's remember that affiliate marketing is the procedure in which you can sell someone else's products and make money through commissions, right? So you can take someone else's products, promote those products, sell those products, and you can earn a commission or money through the sale of those products. So you can start a business without having any products. You can start a business online from anywhere, just offering other people's products, right? Other companies' products. So this is a very good opportunity to create a passive income, create money online. And basically you just set it up, let it run, and collect the money. This works on its own. You set up the ad, you let it run, it gets traffic, people buy the product, and you get money. It's really that simple. It's very easy to make money through affiliate marketing. So make sure that you check it out, but also make sure you have the right tools. And today we're going to talk about that. I'm going to teach you the first tool to get going with your affiliate marketing business, especially getting your webpage set up. And the first key is WordPress. This webpage right here will give you the ability to create an amazing webpage that's going to be able to captivate your audience's eyes and transform your views into sales, right? So the cool thing about WordPress is that it's very easy to use. WordPress is incredibly easy to use. It has templates and it has a lot of different tools for designing the webpage that makes it just so that everybody can do it. You don't have to be any kind of web developer. You don't have to be any kind of computer whiz to make a web page. You could do your company's web page probably within an hour on WordPress, right? And WordPress is great because it gives you everything you need to start your website, right? So it gives you free hosting, your own domain, a world-class support team, and much more. They have a lot of tools to help you create, and they have several plans that will fit your budget, right? So if you're a small company, a bigger company, just a regular person who wants a web page, this is the way to go because they have different prices, different plans, and so you can really pick and choose what you need and you can get rid of what you don't. And they have very cheap plans. So check out their prices, check out their webpage, and make sure you take a look at WordPress and learn how to use it because it's a very great tool if you want to start in this business. But what are we getting to here? Yes, WordPress is great, but is there something better? Yes, there is. And the answer is Bluehost. Bluehost is the shared WordPress hosting page that will help you take your affiliate marketing business to a next level. It's fast, it's easy, it's secure WordPress hosting in minutes, automatic WordPress install and updates, free SSL certificate included, free domain name for 1 year, and it starts very cheap. They have very cheap prices. Now, what is this? Why do I need this if I could already build my webpage on WordPress, right? Well, this makes WordPress better. This helps you organize WordPress better. There are several reasons why you should check out Bluehost, but I'm gonna name a few of the reasons of why you should choose Bluehost for your business, right? So the first one is loading time. Your website loading time is gonna be way shorter, and that's something you definitely want because the shorter your waiting time, the shorter your clients are gonna be waiting to be able to look at the product and buy it, right? So this makes it or breaks it for a lot of companies. So that's something very important, loading time. And Bluehost is going to help you shorten that loading time by a lot. Then you have hacking. They are very secure and you are not going to get your webpage hacked, which is something awesome, right? Because it happens a lot. There's a lot of cybercrime out there, guys. And I think a webpage and a hosting company for a webpage that care so much about hacking is something very powerful and very helpful for everybody who's running a web page. Also, they have a full backup of your website in case something happens. They have a full backup, so you can just take that backup and re-upload your website, right? So it's very good that it has these features because it makes having a website so much it's way less stressful, right? Because you know your work is safe, you know they're gonna take care of you, you know they have 24-hour customer service, right? But there are a lot of reasons why you should look at Bluehost. For example, you can install unlimited websites, you get unmetered website space and bandwidth, you get free SSL, you get the year of domain for free included, as I mentioned before, unlimited park domains and subdomains, which is awesome, unlimited email accounts and email storage. That is also great, because if you start having a lot of traffic, you're gonna have to pay for that space, and they just offer it for free, right? Over 175 worth marketing offers, right? So Google AdWords and Bing. So they also give you the tools to just start creating ads right away, which is awesome, because that is what's gonna get sales. Creating ads in Google AdWords and Bing is what's gonna drive people to your webpage and create those sales. So make sure you check that out, because it's a very good tool and opportunity, those 175 worth of marketing offers. You also have access to spam experts and domain privacy. Site backup is also included with most advanced hosting plans from Bluehost, as I mentioned. So there are very many reasons why you should check out Bluehost. Yes, you could do the work on WordPress. Yes, you could do all of that yourself, but Bluehost, for a very small fee, is going to be a lifesaver, and it's going to turn all of this into a way easier business to manage. So if you want to check out Bluehost, go down to the bio. We have a link down there. If you click on that link, it's going to send you to Bluehost, and you can get started with your webpage today, and you can get your affiliate marketing business going, where you could be earning up to thousands of dollars a day just by putting other people's products online. So make sure that you check it out. If you do, please let us know how it went down in the comments. Please make sure that you like this video. If you did like it, if you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, please make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to learn awesome new ways on how to make money online. Remember, we are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So if you want to learn new ways to make money, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later.